so today we have this TokyoTreat box. It's actually a Japanese snack that comes in this box. So there's two versions. There's the classic and then there's also the premium. What I got here is the premium TokyoTreat snack and we're gonna open it today. So here it is. Wow, so these Japanese snacks are delivered to your door. So just like how I got mine in this lovely orange box, treat yourself, and then hashtag TokyoTreat. So every month they have different snacks from Japan, and here we have Tohato. Okay, I've never heard of this one, but the cartoon is familiar. They have different types of flavors, I guess. Okay. We also have movie night book. It's a lot of snacks here. There is this hard candy. Ooh, green tea. Hokkaido matcha milk tea. This corn snack, morokoshi wataro. Potato chips. Okay, I think we can eat this. There's also popcorn in snack, more stuff. This strawberry ice cream thingy, candy perhaps. Oh look, it says like you have to mix it and then scoop it and then eat it. Okay, we're gonna try it later. And there's this mushroom chocolate. We also have this jelly. Yeah, it's grapes. Oh, and look, we have this Pokemon soda. So this is only available in the premium pack. I don't think they have it in the classic though. So yeah, cool, pretty cool. I wonder what flavor it is. Oh, looks like it's peach. There is a Doraemon. Okay, and this biscuit, rice cracker maybe, chocolate. We have pineapple candy and marshmallow. Ooh, what is this? And finally this chocolate, no wait, this is a rice cracker biscuit. So there you have it. See, it's a premium box from Japan with love. Be able to get yourself this TokyoTreat. So spread the love and try it. Okay, see ya. We're gonna eat now.